Electric car world just got shaken to its core. Elon Musk has finally revealed the $10,595 Tesla Model 2, a car that doesn't just compete, it obliterates the competition. In his words, this isn't just a car revolution, it's a manufacturing revolution. But that's not all. New leaks show that Tesla's engineers have secretly achieved Lamborghini-level performance at 1/10 the cost. Today, we're uncovering exactly how they pulled this off. From origami-style body design to dual motors that defy logic. So buckle up. This is the Tesla story that'll make your jaw drop. How did Tesla build a car that looks like a Lamborghini but costs less than a used Corolla? The answer lies in a radical new approach to car manufacturing. Traditional luxury cars use over 3,000 metal components welded by hand. The Tesla Model 2 uses just 847 precision molded parts. That's a 93% reduction in complexity and a massive drop in cost. This isn't magic, it's called origami engineering. Folding ultra-strong metal sheets to form aerodynamic curves with 67% less material. The result? A $3,200 body that performs like a $47,000 supercar frame. And with a drag coefficient of just 0.19, it's smoother through the air. Instead of expensive carbon fiber, Tesla developed its own futuristic composite, a material 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. And here's the insane part, it heals itself. Tiny scratches. They vanish under sunlight. This self-healing finish usually belongs to $300,000 hypercars. But now it's standard on a $10,000 Tesla. The Texas Gigafactory can mass produce enough of this material for 2.4 million vehicles a year, proving Tesla isn't just innovating. In most factories, building a car body takes 847 minutes. At Tesla, a Model 2 body rolls off the line in just 12 minutes. Massive robotic presses mold entire sections in one go, with 99.7% precision compared to the industry average of 67%. Tesla isn't just speeding up production, it's rewriting the rule book. You'd think a $10,000 car couldn't have supercar acceleration, but think again. Tesla fitted the Model 2 with dual permanent magnet motors, one in the front, one in the rear, delivering 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. That's faster than most $300,000 supercars. These motors run rare earth free, slashing costs by $23,000 per unit. They also recapture 30% more braking energy, saving you up to $800 a year in electricity. Even better, the system performs 2,000 torque calculations per second, ensuring perfect grip in snow, rain, or ice. With 487 total horsepower and 434 miles of range, the Tesla Model 2 delivers supercar thrills at budget car prices. This car isn't just fast, it's safe. Dual-motor all-wheel drive reduces skid risk by 40%, and dual cooling systems keep performance steady even under pressure. With perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the Model 2 feels planted and confident. The regenerative braking system extends range, while dual redundancy ensures you can drive safely even if one motor fails. For the first time, supercar safety meets everyday affordability. Each motor in the Model 2 shares the workload, reducing wear by 40%. That means longer life, fewer repairs, and savings that add up over the years. For retirees and everyday drivers alike, that's peace of mind built into every mile. This isn't just a fast car, it's a car built to last a lifetime. Tesla's mission was never about making cars. It was about making history. And now, with the Model 2, that history is within reach of millions. A car that looks like a Lamborghini, drives like a supercar, but costs less than a family sedan. If it launched in your city tomorrow, would you be first in line? The electric revolution isn't coming.